We continue exercise 7.5 of integration, and in the previous video we have completed question number 15. Let us see question number 15. We have completed the 14 number question. So integration dx upon x raised to the power 4 minus 1. So this can be written as integration dx upon x squared minus 1 and x squared plus 1. Now let x squared equals to t. This becomes I equals to integration dx upon t minus 1 and t plus 1. We have substituted x square equals to t. Now it becomes the linear form. So let 1 upon t minus 1 into t plus 1 is written as a upon t minus 1 plus b upon t plus 1. Then 1 upon t minus 1 into t plus 1 equals to a into t plus 1 plus b into t minus 1 upon t minus 1 into t plus 1. From both the sides, the denominator gets cancelled, and it remains 1 equals to a into t plus 1 plus b into t minus 1. Now put t minus 1 equals to 0, and the value of t comes to 1. So 1 equals to a 1 plus 1 plus b 1 minus 1. This whole expression becomes 0. So 1 equals to 2a and a equals to 1 by 2. Then put t plus 1 equals to 0. T plus 1 equals to 0. And we get t equals to minus 1. So 1 equals to a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 minus 1. So this term becomes 0, and minus 2b equals to 1 and b equals to minus 1 by 2. Now from a we can write 1 upon t minus 1 into t plus 1 equals to, the value of a is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 upon t minus 1. The value of b is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon t plus 1. Now put the integration side, both sides, and introduce dx. So integration dx upon, and put the value of t. T we have taken x square. So x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 equals to 1 by 2 integration dx upon. The value of t is again taken x square, so x square minus 1 square minus 1 by 2 integration dx upon x square plus 1 square. So this comes to be 1 by 2 integration dx upon x square minus a square log dx upon x square minus a square. So 1 upon 2a. So the value of a is 1, and log x minus a upon x plus a. then minus 1 by 2. This is the formula for tan inverse x by t. So we get the result 1 by 4 log x minus 1 upon x plus 1 and minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus t. This is the final result 1 by 4 log x minus a upon x plus a minus 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 1 and the value of a is 1, so it becomes 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. Now question number 16. I equals to integration dx upon x into x की power n plus 1 x into x की power n plus 1. So we put x raised to the power n equals to t and differentiate with both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of x raised to the power x n into x raised to the power n minus 1 and differentiation of t is dt by dx. So this can be written as n into x raised to the power n upon x equals to dt by dx. Now by cross multiplication dx by x is equals to dt upon n into x raised to the power n. So dt as it is, n as it is, and the value of x raised to the power n can be written as t. So we get dx by x equals to 1 by n into dt by t. This is the value of dx upon x. So I equals to integration for dx by x. For dx by x we will write 1 by n outside 1 by n is the constant term and dt upon t. And for x raised to the power n plus 1 it would be written t plus 1. Now let 1 by t into t plus 1 equals to a by t and plus b by t plus 1. We will express in partial fraction, both are the linear terms. So 1 by t into t plus 1 equals to a into t plus 1 plus b into t by taking LCM. So t into t plus 1 gets cancelled and we get 1 equals to at plus a and plus b. So 1 equals to taking t as common, it gives a plus b into t and plus a. Now remove the bracket. So the coefficient of constant terms, the coefficient of t on the right side is a plus b and the coefficient of t on the left side is 0. So a plus b equals to 0. This is first equation and the constant term is 1. So a equals to 1. Now put the value of a equals to 1 in first equation. So from first 1 plus b equals to 0 and we get the value of b. The value of b is minus 1. Now put the value of a and b from in equation number a. So from a integration dt upon from a 1 by t into t plus 1 equals to, the value of a is 1, so 1 upon t, and the value of b is minus 1, so minus 1 upon t plus 1. Now introduce integration and dt. So dt upon t into t plus 1 equals to integration dt upon t minus integration dt upon t plus 1. This gives log t minus log of t plus 1. So this and plus e. This becomes log of t upon t plus 1 and plus e. This is the value of integration dt upon t plus 1. But in our question, there was I equals to 1 by n integration dt upon t into t plus 1. So multiply both sides by 1 by n. So 1 by n log t. Put the value of t. The value of t is x raised to the power n upon x raised to the power n this becomes 1 by n log and t upon t plus 1 and plus e. Now put the value of t. So 1 by n log, the value of t is x raised to the power n. So x raised to the power n upon x raised to the power n plus 1 and plus e. This is the result. Now we solve question number 17. Integration cos x dx upon 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. So put sin x equals to t. Because cos x dx, the differential coefficient is available. So differentiation of sin x is cos x, differentiation of t is dt by dx, and cos x dx is equals to dt. So it becomes I equals to integration dt upon 1 minus t and 2 minus t. Now let 1 upon 1 minus t into 2 minus t equals to a upon 1 minus t plus b upon 2 minus t. This is the, we can write in partial fraction. So 1 upon 1 minus t into 2 minus t equals to a into 2 minus t and plus b into 1 minus t upon 1 minus t and 2 minus t. Denominator gets cancelled and we get 1 equals to a into 2 minus t and plus b into 1 minus t. Now name it equation number 8. Now put 1 minus t equals to 0. Put 1 minus t equals to 0. then we get the value of t equals to 1. And put the value of t equals to 1. So 1 equals to a, 2 minus 1 plus b, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, this becomes 0. And 2 minus 1, 1. So we get the value of a equals to 1. Now put 2 minus t. 2 minus t equals to 0. Then t equals to 2. So 1 equals to a, 2 minus 2 plus b into 1 minus 2. This becomes 0. And 1 minus 2 is minus b. So we get the value of b equals to minus of 1. The value of b is minus of 1. So we have calculated the value of a and the value of b. Then we put the value of a and b in equation number a. So from a, 1 upon 1 minus t into 2 minus t equals to a upon 1 minus t, and the value of a is 1. So 1 upon 1 minus t, and the value of t is minus 1. So minus 1 upon 2 minus t. Now introduce the integration sign. So integration dt upon 1 minus t and 2 minus t equals to integration of dt upon 1 minus t minus integration of dt upon 2 minus t. Now integration of dx upon x. This is log 1 minus t and also differentiation of 1 minus t. So differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of minus t is minus 1. So it would be divided by minus. Minus log of 2 minus t, then differentiate 2 minus t, and differentiation of minus t is minus 1. So minus minus it becomes plus. And log a minus log b is written as log a by b and plus b. Now put the value of t. So log 2 minus sin x, the value of t was sin x upon 1 minus sin x and plus t. So this is the final result. Log 2 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x plus t. Question number 18. X square plus 1 integration x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 upon x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 and dx. So firstly we will put x square equals to t. X square equals to t. Then the expression becomes t plus 1 into t plus 2 upon t plus 3 into t plus 4 and dx. Now remove the bracket by multiplying the corresponding terms. T square plus 2t plus t plus 2 and denominator t square plus 4t plus 3t plus 12 and dx. then we get t square plus 3t plus 2 upon t square plus 7t and plus 12 dx. Now the degree of numerator and denominator both are equal. So in this case we will have to divide numerator by denominator. So t square plus 7t and plus 12, and we divide to t square plus 3t and plus 2. It goes by 1. So t square plus 7t and plus 12. Change the sign. So it becomes minus 4t and minus 10. So this expression can be written as 1 and taking minus as common, 4t plus 10 upon t square plus 7t plus 12. So we will write integration 1 minus 4t plus 10 upon t square plus 7t and plus 12 and dx. Then remove the bracket by multiplying the corresponding terms. So 1 into dx minus integration 4t plus 10, and this can be written as t plus 3 t plus 4, t plus 3 into t plus 4 and dx. Now we have expressed this. This expression is expressed in terms of proper rational function, and name it I1 and this as I2 and this is I2. So separately we will solve I1 and I2. So I1 equals to integration of dx, and integration of dx is x plus c1. This is the value of I1. Then we solve I2. So I2 equals to 4t plus 10, 4t plus 10 upon t plus 3 and t plus 4 and dx. So we will suppose let 4t plus 10 upon t plus 3 into t plus 4 equals to a upon t plus 3 plus b upon t plus 4. This is the denominator is the linear form, so we have taken a upon t plus 3 plus b upon t plus 4, and 4t plus 10 upon t plus 3 t plus 4 equals to a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 3 upon t plus 3 and t plus 4. Denominator from both the sides gets cancelled, and it comes 4t plus 10 equals to a into t plus 4 and plus b into t plus 3. Name it first number equation. Then we put t plus 3 equals to 0 and find the value of t. The value of t comes to be minus 3, and put the value of t equals to minus 3 on both the sides. So 4 into minus 3 plus 10 equals to a minus 3 plus 4 and plus b minus 3 plus 3. So this becomes minus 12 and plus 10, which is minus 2 equals to 8, and this becomes 0. So the value of a comes to be minus 2. The value of a equals to minus 2. Then we put t plus 4 equals to 0 and find the value of t. T equals to minus 4 and put t equals to minus 4 in first equation. So from first 4 into minus 4 plus 10 equals to A into minus 4 plus 4 and plus B into minus 4 plus 3. This term becomes 0. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. And minus 16 plus 10 minus 6 equals to minus B. Then we get the value of B. B equals to 6. Now put the value of A and B from A. So from A, 4t plus 10 upon t plus 3 into t plus 4 is equals to A upon t plus 3, and the value of A is minus 2 into 1 upon t plus 3, and the value of B is 6. So plus 6 into 1 upon t plus 4. Then introduce integration both sides. So integration 4t plus 10 upon t 4t plus 10 upon t plus 3 and t plus 4 equals to minus and dx minus 2 integration dx upon, put the value of t also. The value of t was x square. X square and 3 is written as root 3 the whole square plus 6 integration dx upon x square plus 4 is written as 2 the whole square. Here also we put the value of t. So the value of t is 4x square plus 10 upon x square plus 3 and x square plus 4 and dx equals to minus 2. This is the formula dx upon x square plus a square. So 1 upon a and tan inverse x by root 3 plus 6. This is also the formula dx upon x square by a square. So 1 upon a and tan inverse x by and plus e. So minus 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by root 3 and plus 3 tan inverse x by 2 and plus e2. This is the value of I2 which we get. The value of I2. Now put the value of I1 and I2 in equation number 3. So from B, I equals to I1, and the value of I1 we have calculated. The value of I1 is x plus C1. So x plus C1 minus the value of I2 is minus 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by root 3 and plus 3 tan inverse x by 2 and plus 2. Then the final result we get x minus plus 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by root 3 and minus plus minus 3 tan inverse x by 2 and C1 minus C2 is written as plus C, another constant. So we get the final result x plus 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by root 3 minus 3 tan inverse x by